I am really happy that the Symbiosis has organized a seminar or an international conference 2014 on India's Look East policy, a bridge to the Asian neighborhood. We are a different civilization, we are a different culture, we have a rich heritage. And as Asian as such, we have common aspirations, goals, problems, and developmental path. So what India is doing today through Look East policy is that we are not dependent on the powers that be. We ourselves are becoming big power, and we want to cooperate with each one of us. And that Look East policy is a testimony to that. I was asked to deliver a lecture on education and culture vectors of sustainable human development. This is really an important topic. But as I mean, away from India, I am unable to attend. And therefore, I am just meeting you through this video message. So I'll be short, just flagging of some issues on the education and culture. Because human being is not about only hunger, cloth, daily necessities, physical necessities, but it is about aspirations. And education gives the shape to the aspirations and empowers people. So a child of a laborer working on the field of a landlord becomes the district magistrate of that district where all landlords and everybody has to come. This empowerment comes only through education. So education empowers. Culture shows us the way to live. Politics can provide means of livelihood. But why to live and how to live and enrich our life is shown by the culture. So if education is empowerment, culture is enrichment of life. And to that end, I think sustainable human development means quality of life. And therefore, I am always happy while listening to Bhutan's president and Bhutan's ambassadors who talk consistently about happiness index. Because it is not only the material things which give you the ultimate satisfaction. Ultimate satisfaction comes from within. And that is the sustainable human development. We have to grow on all fronts. When I see patterns in education that people are going or adopting, preferring only IT or preferring only few branches and are not heading for arts, culture and many other disciplines, that's not a robust growth. And therefore, I would have been happy if I would have been there present. I would have delivered the full lecture. But on video message, I know the attention, that is the difference between the screen and the person. If you are present, you can talk for 30, 40 minutes and still get full attention. But if you are on screen, then that attention becomes bad after 7, 8 minutes. And therefore, I wish this conference all the best. And I'll also expect that Vidya to deliver me the conclusions of this international conference, because symbiosis has always been a seat of convergence, bringing all disciplines together. Because symbiosis itself is a international education center where it actually started with Vidya's father doing all the cultural festivals. What he used to do is to organize intercontinental sharing of experiences through festivals. And that started, that is what is enrichment of life. That's a sustainable human development. That is one aspect of quality of life. And other, education, health, gender sensitivity, the human rights, values, freedom of expression, all put together gives you a broad framework of sustainable human development. It is the enrichment of life. And to that end, I think this conference will bring out more good issues to deal with. And I'll be happy and looking forward to see the conclusions which you draw, the deliberations you make, so that we can walk together for a better tomorrow. Thank you.